Okay, been sitting up here trying to figure out why my tire's been going flat, and finally it's shown itself. So today, what we're gonna do is go over the quick way to plug a hole in your tire. I usually keep this kit in my car, but typically what you need is buy yourself a little kit. It's probably maybe $5–10 at the most, a plug-in kit. This is a reaming tool with the plug attachment on it, so it's not secondary. Here, this is what you're going to plug the tire with, and you need some rubber cement that you're going to put on the plug. Oh, bag tried to get away from me. So it actually adheres to it and makes it bond to it. So first what you're going to do is you're actually going to take the screw out. Typically you would take the reaming tool, you would run it in there and you ream it back and forth. The reason for that is to smooth it out so that you can actually put the plug inside. But the faster way and more efficient way to do it is to actually use a drill bit. So you would get a drill bit to match the same size as the reaming tool. Makes it so much easier for you when you're at home and a whole lot faster. You know, RIP to a friend of mine who passed. He's the one that showed me how to do this trick, you know, old mechanics trick, and it makes it a whole lot faster. So make sure you have everything set up so you can do it fast to lose the least amount of air, because I still want to have air in my tires to be able to go to the gas station to put air in. So I'm going to set this up. After you get it through, you're actually going to put your rubber cement on. So here, you can use rubber cement, really any kind of small like adhesive. Get as much on as you can. Remove the screw. Yep, this is what actually came out. Slow leak. I had to use both hands on that one so I could have it all the way in here. And when you go to pull it out, it should. There you have it. And even here, you don't even have to clip it. Just leave it the way it is. Your tire is plugged. If you notice, I didn't lose a lot of air. And just let it sit and drive on it and you're fine. So on that note, quick way to plug your own tire.